How to change Google Maps to walking. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy and quick way to change Google Maps to walking. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you will learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, go ahead and open the Google Map application on your device. Once you open it, you'll get access to the map page where you can tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and find your destination. It can be store, restaurant, cafe, or simply drop a pin where you want to go. So you can also select your hotels, shoppings, and restaurants as well at the top of the screen. As you can see, different options. So let's search for restaurants, and you'll find the list of restaurants here, or you can also enter the name as well. So once you have selected your destination, you need to select the directions button, which is at the bottom left corner of the screen. So once you have selected, by default Google Maps shows you driving directions, but you just have to tap on the person-like icon which is next to that driving directions or the driving icon. So when you tap on it, it will show you, or the Google Map will change to walking, and then you can easily select the steps as well for further details of your directions. So those dotted lines are the maps or the directions for walking. So when you tap on the steps as well, you will get the detailed view of the map, and this way you can easily change Google Maps to walking and easily get to your destination. So that's how we change it.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.